A tick. Question 14. A tick is a small invertebrate. Some ticks carry the bacteria, not even attempting to say it, in their gut after biting infected animals. If these ticks bite humans to feed on blood, the bacteria may enter the human bloodstream and cause Lyme disease. Use the information given to suggest why ticks can be described as a vector. So a vector means that they are carrying the parasite, the bacteria, from one host to another. They can be called parasites because they are taking nutrients from humans, which would make the humans the host. Okay. The table shows the average global temperatures between 81 and 2010 and the number of Lyme cases in the UK between 1999 and 2009. Okay. Calculate the percentage increase in cases of Lyme disease in the UK between 1999 and 2009. So our data that we're looking at, our number of is just in table 2 here, the number of cases. So in 1999 it was 2000, 2009 it was 870. Okay, so this is a percentage increase. So percentage change is always the same thing, whether it's increase or decrease. I'm looking for the change, divide it by the start, times it by 100. So my change here is 670. Okay. Yep, 670. I was just checking that I was not being silly with that one. 670. Divide it by my 200 because that's my start. Times it by 100 means that I have a 335% increase. So quite a lot. It was concluded from the information in Table 1 and 2 that the increase in the number of cases of Lyme disease in the UK was caused by an increase in temperature. Suggests why this conclusion may not be valid. Okay, so we've got 14.12 going to 200. Sorry, no, I'm only looking at this one's here. So we've got our 1991 to 2000, 14.26. And 2001 to 2010, 14.27. The problem here is that we are taking an average across several years in each of these, and I can't tell if each of these years was an increase for each of these. So I don't have enough data basically for me to say for sure that there was at each of these years an increase in temperature, because this is an average temperature across a section of years. Okay, last bit, I'll have to move along. Okay, 2 methods used to reduce the number of cases of Lyme disease in humans were suggested. 1, use a pesticide to kill the ticks. 2, treat infected animals with antibiotics. Explain how each method could reduce the number of cases of Lyme disease in humans. Okay, so method 1, use a pesticide to kill the ticks. Okay, so that prevents transmission from ticks as vectors. Method 2, treat infected animals with antibiotics. Okay, so this would reduce the bacteria. So again, so can't be passed on. And that's the question.